Hi, my dears. Welcome back to session 8, class 3rd standard. Subject GK. Previous session we learnt about vegetables and its uses. Today we are going to learn about national leaders. The freedom which we enjoy today is the effort taken by our freedom fighters to free our country from the British rule. Our leaders underwent immense tortures which cannot be explained in words. Their satyagrahas, sacrifices, and tortures has yielded this freedom. Okay, dears, next we learn about their history. Dear students, look at this picture. Can you guess who is this? Yes, correct. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also called as the father of our nation. He was born at Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2nd, 1869. His childhood name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father was Karamchand Gandhi and mother was Patlibai Gandhi. He was a sincere man. He never told lies. He went to England to study law. He was very straightforward, truthful, and honest. He fought against British Raj in India. He taught the world non-violence. He died on January 30th, 1948. He made his country free in 1947. He had to go jail several times. Gandhiji was one of the greatest men of the world. Okay, dears, next we will learn about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He worked hard with Mahatma Gandhi during the freedom struggle. He is awarded the prestigious Bharat Ratna in 1955. Every year, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He loved children very much and was called Chacha Nehru. He wrote such famous books as Autobiography, The Discovery of India. Jawaharlal Nehru pinned a fresh red rose to his coat every day. Nehru passed away on 27th May 1964. Okay, dears, next we will learn about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar was born on April 14, 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He lost his mother when he was 5 years. He later completed his BA in Bombay, MA in America, and also PhD. He also studied law in England and later started practicing in India. He was the first law minister of independent India. He died on December 6, 1956. Okay, dears, look at this picture. Who is this? Yes, correct. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 23 January 1897. He was popularly known as Netaji. He was a very intelligent and sincere student, but never had much interest in sports. He was different from Mahatma Gandhi because he was a violent freedom fighter. Subhash Chandra Bose died on 18th August 1945. Okay, dears, do you know who is called Nightingale of India? Yes, correct. Sarojini Naidu. She was born on 13 February 1879. She was a poet and a great politician. Her literary works gained popularity all over the world. She became the first woman governor of India. Students, do you know that British government also awarded her the Kaiser I King Medal for her work during the plague epidemic in India. She played an important role in Quit India movement. Students, do you know why Sarojini Naidu is called Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu was called the Nightingale of India because of her poetry. It has a lyrical quality and often varies the type of meter and rhyme. Students, do you know who wrote the national anthem? Yes, correct. Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on May 7, 1861, Calcutta. Rabindranath Tagore is known as Gurudev. He was a poet, musician, and artist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Gitanjali poem in 1913. Rabindranath Tagore wrote many short stories like Kabuliwala. He has influenced the Bengali music known as Rabindra Sangeet. The work is translated into many languages. He died in 1941 in Calcutta at an age of 80 years. Okay, dears, I hope you all understand the concept. Okay, dears, next let us move to the homework session. Students, take your notebook, write down your answer clearly, and submit your homework. Okay, my dears, listen. Now I am going to read the questions one by one. First question: who is called the father of our nation? Second one: when was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Third one: who is the first law minister of independent India? Fourth one: when was Rabindranath Tagore born? Fifth one: who wrote the famous book Discovery of India? Okay, dears, do your homework properly. Thank you.